My name is Zaccagnini. Right now I am studying at UTS and I've been here for about 1.5 years. I'd stopped doing sport in school for a while, so I wasn't really doing much, and it was a good opportunity to start getting active throughout the week by going here. Because I didn't have many extracurriculars, I could take my mind off. It was good. It was good for my health. I've gotten stronger. Keep that routine, all those responsibilities. Just being able to just not think about anything else for that hour, doing what you have to do, and just seeing yourself get better. Proud moment. Oh well, I feel like a king every time I get on the pendulum. You know what happens there.
I don't know.
Do it, because you should probably start going to gym eventually, and it's good to start young. Oh, probably my mom. Because of the community, it's like an inviting place. I remember mum always tried taking me to boot camps when I was younger, and they were just really intimidating, and I never really liked them. But here, it's a nice community, and don't feel judged ever. Coaches are great. It's good to just always be getting feedback and then make sure that you're doing everything properly, except if your name is Mary Lassie. Too good.